What's up guys, I'm Sean. It's been a while since I posted, but I'm back at Laguna Seca Raceway today, rolling deep with a squad. Jim in his GT4, Kevin in his BRZ, Stas in his E46 M3, my car, John in RS5, Alessandro in his Mustang GT. So it should be a pretty good day. Personal best is a 141. Let's see if I can beat that. Didn't make too many changes. I did get rid of the front canards, and I haven't ran these new wheels, 18x10 Bemerweld wheels, and my needle NTO ones are about half life, so it's better than the last time I was here. Other than that, it's mostly the same. So let's see if I can beat the time today. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Just finished 4 sessions. I ran a personal best in the second session. I ran a 141.1, and I tried to beat it in the third and fourth session. I couldn't do it, but I ran a bunch of 141s, just couldn't beat the 141.1. But I did beat my previous best by 0.3 of a second, so I'm really happy with that. Overall, it was a good day. Now I gotta head home. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching.